Hi, my name is Courtney Brown, and I am a member of YES, the Youth Empowerment Society of Summit. Today, we are partnering with Communities That Care to create a series of interviews with Summit County leaders and stakeholders. During this uncertain time, we want to ensure community members have access to important updated information. Now more than ever, it is essential that we are staying connected to our community even while remaining physically distant. Today, I will be interviewing Laura Cronin, who is a child care licensing supervisor for Summit County. Thank you, Laura, for coming.
Thanks for having me.
We're going to start by asking a series of questions that we have gathered from community members. The first question is, can you apply to be a licensed home care provider right now? And how can a person initiate the process?
Yes, it is an option to apply for a license currently. The Office of Early Childhood has a very comprehensive website, which I would direct anyone who's interested to go to. Colorado Office of Early Childhood.com is their website. On there, there's a ton of great information. There's rules to look through to familiarize yourself. There is an application as well as a guide to filling out the application and submitting that. There's fee information. There's some preliminary steps that need to be taken. So I would definitely recommend going to the website and checking things out. And in addition, contacting me for any help or questions. I would be happy to walk anyone through the process.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
The second question we gathered is, when childcare facilities open in June, on June 1st, what safety measures has the state recommended?
So childcare centers are definitely kind of in the same category as everyone else in terms of group size. So there can be 10 children with one staff member or two. We are still 6 feet of physical distancing, and definitely mask wearing for children over the ages of 3 who can handle wearing a mask. If there's a child who is having a hard time keeping it on their face, then by all means, that's not a requirement. There's a recommendation of curbside drop-off and pickup to limit the amount of people coming in and out of buildings. And then there will also be health checks upon arrival.
Awesome, thank you. The third question we have for you is, are summer camps going to run this summer? And what are the safety measures recommended by the state?
So comparable safety measures. And at this point, at the time of this interview, as we know, everything is changing so rapidly. Building-based school-age programming has been given the go-ahead to operate. We're still waiting on guidance from Governor Polis for other programming, like outdoor-based camps, which would be all the soccer camps, any unlicensed programming, and then residential camps. We're waiting to hear about that guidance as well.
Awesome, thank you. The last question we have for you today is, where do you recommend Summit County residents find updated information?
I think Summit County government website is a great resource for parents in the community. They can offer state and local guidance. So I just think it's best to go to a trusted site for your info.
Awesome. Thank you for coming today.
Thank you so much for having me.